Hi everyone, welcome to our presentation. Today I would like to introduce our work on symptom checkers, and we are researcher from the Penn State University College of IST. What is online symptom checker? Are you search for a solution to inform yourself about any possible condition from your phone or computer? You might have used the app to check your symptom. Online symptom checker are intelligent systems that apply algorithm and machine learning approaches like a decision tree to help the user with self-diagnosis or self-triage. Online symptom checker are very popular today and widely used to promise various benefits such as provide quality diagnosis information and reduce unnecessary visit, test, and cost to medical resources. This paper was inspired by an existing challenge. We noticed most online symptom checkers do not explain why they provide such a diagnosis to the user or why a patient fall into a disease classifications. That is, this app, the data and clinical decision model are usually not transparent and not comprehensible to lay users, which may lead to less user trust in the system or even misleading the user to make a wrong decision. In this paper, we aim to explore how explanation could be used to promote diagnosis transparency of online symptom checkers through a mixed method approach. To answer the research question, we first conduct 25 semi-structured interviews with the symptom checker users. Our study support the user did need some form of explanation in the symptom checker apps. First, we find the user were confused by the question proposed by the system. For example, the sequence, quantity, and the relevance of the questions. Therefore, we argue it could be helpful to provide explanation during the interaction. Second, user desire better understanding of the medical recommendation from the system, like what are the reasons the system used to make the decision for me. This indicates that the user can benefit from seeing the explanation after receiving the medical recommendations. Third, the user want to know the data sources and to compare the similar case to help them to understand the medical recommendation better. So it's nice to provide an example identical to the instance that sent us the prediction made by the user. To explore the effect of providing explanation in online symptom checkers, we choose to replicate a coronavirus self-checker. We add 3 styles of explanation to improve the diagnosis transparency. All the design was based on the finding of our first qualitative studies. So the first style is a rationale-based explanation. This style focuses on the immediate feedback on the rationale of the proposed questions. The second style is a feature-based explanation. This style offers a personalized summary based on the user input answers, which are the features used in the clinical decision tree model. The third style is an example-based explanation. This style offers an identical example of a patient who received the same recommendation from the system. Based on the qualitative analysis of survey data from lab control study with 20 participants, we find explanation can significantly increase user perception in multiple aspects. For example, providing explanation can help the user to perceive a better diagnosis quality and trust the recommendation more. Diagnostic transparency could help the patient to make informed medical decisions. Explanation could help increase the health awareness and facilitate the learning about the COVID-19 knowledge. Overall, we find providing explanation could contribute to a more positive user experience of using online symptom checkers. Our research echoed the previous work on how explanation could enhance the transparency of intelligent systems in the healthcare context. Our research demonstrated the contribution to explainable AI of how to present explanation in a conversational manner, which like a chatbot. We discussed the possible usage of explainable AI in healthcare and pandemic contexts. Our research highlighted the broader social implication of providing explanation to the online symptom checkers. Thank you. Thank you for your listening.